Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Karen. You can call me Kay and I do everything. For the returning subbies, welcome back my loves. You're very much appreciated. Welcome to my full hair wash day. Today is the 11th of February and my last wash day was on the 11th of January. This is how I wash my hair every month. As I go along my wash day, I'll be telling you of 15 or 14 things I'll be doing to achieve healthier, longer hair in 2025. The first has to obviously be keeping up with my monthly wash days just like I'm doing today. My routine entails first pre-pooing my hair plus detangling, using a clarifying shampoo, deep conditioning my hair with heat, tea rinses, and then the LCO method. It is essentially to re-nourish and moisturize my hair. You can catch more of this on my vlogs. So sit back, grab your favorite drink or snack, and let's get into it. The second thing is gentle detangling, and this starts with the takedown of protective styles. I will never work on dry hair, and on this day especially I decided to drench my hair with warm water as I took my morning shower, applied my DIY detangler which comprised of conditioner, olive oil and DIY flaxseed gel. I also make sure to finger detangle first before going in with any detangling combs. The third thing is making sure I deep condition on every wash day, which is for me monthly. Deep conditioning is important because it replenishes moisture lost during shampooing, thus leading to softer, more manageable hair, reduces frizz, decreases the breakage due to improved elasticity and preventing further damage. A plus on this is including heat usage during deep conditioning. For me, since I have low porosity hair, I also love sitting under the heated cap after my LCO method to ensure all the products travel into the depths of my hair strands. My deep conditioning treatments really vary from time to time. Sometimes I'll use the store-bought ones straight just as they are, or just add a little bit more ingredients to them just to give them a little bit more nutrients. This day especially I was using a store-bought deep conditioner and added a bit of Ayurvedic powders. The fourth thing is keeping up a moisture routine, and for me as a low porosity girly, this starts right from wash day, using a clarifying shampoo, using products that are water-based with humectants like glycerin, pre-pooing before shampoo, deep conditioning with heat, and sealing with a light oil. Weekly remoisturization routines are also important to me, though I'm very careful with using too much product to avoid buildup. Before we go on further, if you are loving this video, please consider giving it a like, share, and interact with me in the comment section. Thank you. The fifth thing is adding Ayurveda treatments into my hair care routines. These include things like Amla, Neem, Bringraj, Brahmi, Aritha, Shikakai. I also love cloves, rosemary, hibiscus, and fenugreek, as well as essential oils such as tea tree, peppermint, lavender, and such, all of which have amazing benefits for my natural hair. Number 6 will have to be keeping up with low manipulation protective styles, and for me that has to be mini or midi twists. I love mini twists in as much as they make me look like a child. Accessorizing and styling them in different ways help a lot. I saw the benefit of using mini twists when I went on a length journey back in 2023 when all I did was mini twists. The seventh thing I need to do and will have to keep up with in order to see my hair grow longer and healthier is to protect my ends. Having a nighttime routine helps protect your ends from unnecessary friction, which can lead to breakage. This also applies for when I'm also just lounging at home. I like to keep my hair and my ends tucked. Keeping my ends tucked in a bun, wearing a certain bonnet, and sleeping on a certain pillowcase are my most important steps. Exercise and scalp massages also help increase blood circulation to the scalp, which in turn enhances growth. For me, I have days that I've dedicated for just oiling and massaging my scalp, and I do this by first using my fingers and then using a scalp massager. Adding cardio routines to your day-to-day life is also very beneficial. Another thing I'll be doing is maintaining the health of my ends by trimming regularly, and for me what works is routinely dusting my ends. This is because I try to limit my straightening sessions to once a year, which would enable me to do a proper trim. So dusting my ends, just like what I'm doing here during protective styles installs, has been working for me, hence I will keep up with it. Obviously, these are all external. It is equally important to take internal measures such as keeping up with vitamins and nutrients. Having a protein-rich diet, making sure you're drinking enough water go a long way in helping you grow long and healthy hair. For me, it's important to include both animal and plant protein into my diet. Iron-rich foods like spinach and red meat, omega-rich foods like avo, tuna, etc. are important. Vitamin C rich foods such as citrus foods like oranges, bell peppers, berries, which I really love, are good as well. Seeds and nuts such as flax seeds, chia seeds. I also love pumpkin seeds, which are very rich in zinc, are a great addition to the diet as well. Another thing I'm planning on doing once I have the funds for it is doing a nutrient deficiency test, which will enable me know which nutrients I am deficient of. I would also want to know my current status with my PCOS diagnosis, which also leads to like hair shedding. I am also avoiding stress, or rather minimizing stress, because I noticed that during periods when I go through immense stress, I experience a lot of shedding, and then that would mean that there would be no real length retention. I am also working on patience, just to imagine that this is the far my hair has grown in just 5 years. I am excited to see how long and how healthier it can get in the next 5 years. Last but not least, I am learning to embrace my natural hair growth journey and accepting that I am me and I cannot be anybody else. Thank you so much for sticking with me until this point. I hope you really enjoyed this video and took home a point or two. If so, please consider joining my community for more of this. As always, I hope you liked, shared, and engaged with me in one way or the other. Let me know if you're really interested in this kind of videos, more hair content, and I will be glad to make them for you. Until next time, bye.